Today, we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is terrifying. Prehistoric animals that, honestly, we're probably better off without. Can you imagine stumbling upon a Titanoboa during a forest hike? Or having an unexpected encounter with an Estmossucus while strolling through a park? In today's video, we'll explore these giants of the past and discover why it's probably for the best that they remain confined to the pages of history. The Andrewosaurus, a giant among predatory mammals, lived during the Eocene epoch, approximately between 56 and 33.9 million years ago. This period was characterized by a predominantly warm climate, which allowed an exceptional diversity of life to flourish. The Andrewosaurus is primarily known from a single massive fossil skull discovered in Inner Mongolia, China, in 1923. This skull, nearly a meter in length, is the centerpiece of the evidence we have of this enigmatic predator, suggesting that it was one of the largest terrestrial carnivorous mammals of its time. The Andrewosaurus's skull exhibits features that intrigue scientists, such as its strong jaws and large, sharp teeth, indicative of a powerful bite. These characteristics suggest that it could have hunted large prey, or perhaps scavenged, depending on availability. Despite its fierce and formidable appearance, there is still much debate about the exact lifestyle of Andrewosaurus, including its diet and hunting behavior, due to the scarcity of additional fossils that could provide new insights. If Andrewosaurus were alive today, it would likely pose a significant threat to humans. Given its size and strength, a predator of its magnitude would certainly be dangerous. So far, the most significant fossil of Andrewosaurus is its impressive skull, and no substantial discoveries of other bones or complete skeletons have been reported. This severely limits our complete understanding of its anatomy and behavior. Paleontologists continue to search for new fossils that could fill the gaps in our knowledge about this fascinating prehistoric animal. Megalania, one of the largest lizards to ever walk the earth, was a colossal creature from the Pleistocene epoch, living predominantly in Australia. This reptile, scientifically named Varanus priscus, could grow up to 7 meters long and is considered one of the largest monitor lizard species ever discovered. Its presence in prehistoric Australia suggests a dominant predator capable of instilling fear in a diverse range of contemporary fauna. The Pleistocene, when Megalania thrived, spans approximately from 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago, covering a vast geological era marked by repeated glaciations. Scientific evidence about Megalania is primarily derived from bone fossils found in various parts of Australia, including Queensland and New South Wales. These fossils, consisting of jaw fragments, teeth, and vertebrae, have allowed paleontologists to reconstruct its possible appearance and predatory habits. Analysis of these remains suggests that Megalania had a robust body, sharp claws, and serrated teeth, ideal tools for subduing large prey. Isotopic studies of its teeth have provided clues about its diet, indicating that it could hunt animals of various sizes, from medium-sized marsupials to large herbivores. The interaction between Megalania and humans is a topic of speculation, as there is evidence that the first human inhabitants of Australia arrived about 65,000 years ago. This places humans and Megalania in the same environment for a significant period. Given Megalania's predatory nature and formidable size, it is plausible that it could have posed a real threat to humans. Estmossucus is one of the most intriguing therapsids discovered to date, standing out due to its unique features. This genus lived during the Middle Permian period, around 267 to 252 million years ago, preceding the age of dinosaurs and the Great Permian-Triassic extinction event. The fossils of this animal have been found primarily in the Ochre region of Russia, a site known for providing important paleontological records from the Permian. Estmossucus is notable for its distinct bony protrusions that adorn its head, a feature rarely seen in other therapsids. These structures may have served multiple functions. Some theories suggest they were used in intraspecific combat, perhaps as a way to establish dominance within groups. Another possibility is that these protrusions were used in mating rituals, helping to attract partners by displaying an impressive physical trait. The shape and size of the protrusions could indicate the health and strength of the individual, desirable traits for reproduction. Scientists suggest that this therapsid inhabited regions ranging from dense forests to more arid areas, adapting to a diverse range of ecosystems. Measuring between 2.5 to 3 meters in length, Estmossucus lived long before humans arrived on the scene, but if given the opportunity to encounter us, it would certainly be a creature to fear. The Titanoboa, whose full name is Titanoboa carajonensis, is one of the largest and most impressive reptiles ever to inhabit the Earth. This prehistoric monster lived during the Paleocene epoch, approximately 60 million years ago, a period that followed shortly after the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. The fossils of this giant snake were first discovered in 2009 in the Sarajevo Coal Formation in Colombia, causing great excitement in the scientific community. Scientific evidence suggests that Titanoboa could reach up to 12 to 15 meters in length and weigh about 1,135 kilograms, making it the largest known snake of all time. Its massive size indicates that it occupied the top of the food chain, probably preying on large fish and other aquatic vertebrates, perhaps even early crocodilians. This giant snake preferred warm and humid environments, such as the dense tropical rainforests that covered South America during the Paleocene, which is consistent with the climatic conditions of a world still recovering from the climate changes triggered by the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. If humans had hypothetically lived during the same period, it's likely that Titanoboa would have posed a formidable threat due to its immense size and muscular strength. Fossils suggest that Titanoboa, like many large animals of the Paleocene, took advantage of the ecological void left by the dinosaurs to become one of the dominant predators. Popularly known as the marsupial lion, Thylo is one of the most fascinating creatures in Australia's fossil record. This unique predator lived during the Pleistocene epoch, which spans from about 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. Characterized as one of the largest known carnivorous marsupials, Thylo had a specialized morphology that included teeth adapted for cutting meat and a robust build that suggests a significant predatory capability. These adaptations make it an intriguing example of Australia's prehistoric megafauna, whose extinction still puzzles scientists and researchers. If Thylo were still alive today, it would likely pose a significant risk to humans, given its strength, size, and predatory skills. Fossil evidence of Thylo has been discovered in various parts of Australia, including caves and other fossil deposits, where its remains are often found alongside those of other extinct megafauna species. These fossils include bones, teeth, and, in rare cases, claw marks that reveal its predatory behavior and climbing abilities. Thylo teeth are particularly distinctive, with modified premolars and molars that functioned almost like scissors, allowing it to efficiently dismember the flesh of its prey. Thylo climbing ability suggests that it could have been an ambush predator, using trees or elevated terrain to surprise its prey. This is corroborated by analyses of its skeletal adaptations, which include strong limbs and retractable claws, features that would have facilitated climbing and capturing large animals. So, what would our world be like if these prehistoric giants were still around? Probably much more dangerous, unpredictable, and maybe even impossible for us humans to thrive as we have. Places that are now common for walks and exploration could be territories dominated by formidable creatures, completely changing how we live and interact with our surroundings. Perhaps, in such a world, cities and civilizations could not have flourished in regions where these animals roamed. So, while it's fascinating to imagine these majestic creatures walking and swimming on Earth, it might be better for all of us that they remain in history. If you enjoyed exploring these alternative scenarios and learning more about the most fearsome creatures of prehistory, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming journeys through natural history and other mysteries of our universe. Also, make sure to watch our video on What's Hidden on North Sentinel Island. Hit the bell to receive notifications every time a new video is published, and let me know in the comments, which of these extinct animals do you think would be the most terrifying to encounter? Until next time, explorers.